Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Minecraft theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to follow is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application. Click on messenger icon on the top right. From here, you need to select any conversation. Click on the person name on the top and then you need to click on theme, and from here you need to select the Minecraft. Wait for few seconds and now you can see that Minecraft theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.